Welcome to the LATIF animations. Today I will show you how to attach this ring into the ear of this character. So how to attach this? If you want to complete character rigging course, you check in link in the description. This is the VTuber VRChat character rigging course. So what is the step process? You need to be select. This is this model I have downloaded from Sketchweb. So select this model. So first need to reset the transformation of this object. So select this object and then press shift, select this object and then press keyboard on control A. You can see this is the transformation is not 000. So press control A and then click on apply all transformation now reset and 000. So what is the next step? You can select first select the object and then second shift select the armature and then go to the pose mode and then go to select the targeted bone which where to attach. You have the earring, so I am going to head bone, select the head bone, shift hold shift press and then control P to select this pop-up and then select on bone. So you can see this is the attached now earring the attached with the character. If you like, please subscribe to Non-Thief Animation YouTube channel.